First portion of this question is asking us to complete this table and calculate, given the information we have here, her total costs, her average variable, average total, and marginal costs. So the first thing to notice here is that if total costs are 100 at 0 meals, that means that fixed costs are $100. We also know that variable plus fixed equals total. So to find the total cost, we just add 100 to each of these variable costs since fixed never changes. So total costs are 300 for 10 meals, 400 for 20, 580 for 30, 800 for 40, and 1100 for 50. To find average variable cost, we just take our total variable cost and divide it by the quantity. And if you do that correctly, you'll find that it's $20 for 10, 15 for 20, 16 for 30, $17.50 for 40, and $20 for 50. Average total cost is the same thing. We take total cost divided by quantity, and when you do that, you're going to get 30, 20, $19.33, $20, and 22. Marginal cost looks at the change in total cost given a change in output. So we're looking at this per unit. So we see here that when we go from 0 to 10, we're increasing our total costs by $200, which is the variable cost. $200 divided by 10 meals gets us a $20 marginal cost per meal. We're assuming that each of the first 10 meals has the same marginal cost. When we go from 10 to 20 meals, we see our total costs are increasing by $100. So $100 divided by the 10 meals gives us a $10 marginal cost per meal, assuming that every meal has the same marginal cost. For 30 meals, we go from, we increase our total cost by $180. So $180 divided by 10 meals gets us $18 per meal, again, assuming it's the same marginal cost. We go from 30 to 40, we're seeing an increase of $220. For those next 10 meals, so 220 divided by 10 meals gives us a $22 marginal cost. And then we go from 40 to 50, we're increasing total cost by 400 divided by, 300. Total costs go from 800 to 1100, so it's $300 divided by 10 meals gets us a $30 marginal cost.